Howdy, ballerinos. Welcome to karaoke, where we sing songs that we make up Gary style. Okay. Hey, guys.
Hey, Gary.
Hey. Oh, hello. We got ourselves a really lovely keyboard, don't we?
That's
we do.
Right.
Oh, and Janaye and Tony are going to help do karaoke.
We sure are.
But what are we gonna sing about?
Ooh,
Oh, hi, I got about airplanes.
Airplanes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's so
let's
much
get
fun.
a beat.
okay.
Oh, I like that.
Oh.
Okay.
Janae, you want to start this off?
Oh, that's good. Zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoomity zoom.
That's good.
Zoom, zoom,
When you hear the
zoom,
zoom
zoom,
zooms, you can zoom with
Yeah.
us. Ready?
Yeah.
Great.
Zoom, zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom. Here I go.
Zoomity zoom zoom.
I get my stuff, put it in my bag, roll it through the door, and then I get a tag.
And when she gets a tag that is on that bag, she goes through security, man. What a drag.
Zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom. We're on an airplane. Zoom zoom,
Yeah.
zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoom.
We're on an airplane.
Okay, give me next.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Okay. Oh, where's the beat? There we go. So sitting in the seats, and we're really hungry, but don't you worry, cause there's snacks.
There's snacks. Yeah.
There's snacks.
Snacks on the airplane.
What kind of snacks do we have, Gary?
I don't know. Well, sometimes they have chips, and sometimes they have cookies, and sometimes they have peanuts, and other things like that. Zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoomity zoom zoom, zoom zoom, zoom. We're on an airplane.
Ha! Wow, that was awesome. Thanks for karaokeing with us.
That was great.
Yeah, you know what? Let's zoom on out of here. Well, this is my imitation of an airplane.
Ooh, yeah.
Here we
Let's
go.
zoom out of
Take
here.
off. Come on. Zoom.